Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to give you 2 tablescape ideas for Christmas. I love decorating tables for the holiday season, whether it's Christmas, New Year's, any sort of celebration that you have over this holiday season. So today I've decorated our breakfast nook table, so a little bit more of a casual, like Christmas morning breakfast table, and I've also decorated our dining room table, so a little bit more of a formal Christmas setting, in the hopes it'll give you some inspiration on how you can decorate your own Christmas tables this season. This year I'm using a lot of neutral elements in my tablescape, so lots of wood tones, lots of golds and greens. So if you like to keep it neutral, I think you'll like these table settings. Let's get started. So first I'm going to make a swag for the sign over my breakfast nook table. So I'm just taking some faux evergreen stems from Michael's. I have 4 stems, so 2 of 2 different kinds, and then I am just attaching them in the center with some floral wire, just like this, to make a really simple swag. I'm just twisting the floral wire around the stems right in the center. Then I took some of these small command hooks and I'm just attaching them right above my sign on my stickwood shiplap wall, just so that the swag is nice and secure. I put one like this in the middle of my sign so that I could hook the middle of the swag on the sign like this. So I just simply place the swag right over top of my sign, and these hooks just keep it there nice and snug. And then I took my favorite pink velvet ribbon. I found this ribbon at Canadian Tire. I'm using it in little bits throughout my home for this Christmas season, and I made just a really simple plain bow out of it, and I'm just attaching it to the top center of my swag. Next, I'm decorating my DIY bench seat here with some pink and some furry cushions, and then I'm just putting my velvet green chairs. I got these at the Brick around my table. Now I'm using some mercury glass Christmas trees. I found these at Costco a couple years ago and I really love them for Christmas decor. They're just really sweet and vintage looking, and I love how the silver looks against the really dark rustic look of our table. I'll leave a link to everything that you can find online in the description box below, but a lot of what I'm using today is just stuff from my stash that I've used before. I love taking elements that I already own and trying to just remix them in a different way so that I'm not spending tons of money every time I'm decorating, but just trying to use some creativity to do things differently than I've done before. I found these plaid napkins at the Bay. They actually sent them to me and I thought they looked really nice on this table with the bits of green and pink. They're just black and white plaid and I like how they look in the mix. Then I'm taking some more of those faux evergreen stems I found at Michael's and I'm just pulling off a really small bit of the stem and using it on top of the napkins as a little bit of a Christmas decoration. I found this gold cutlery at Amazon and I love how it looks at Christmas time, and then I'm adding just some mugs and some small water glasses to each setting. The chargers I found at Michael's last year, I believe, and the plates were from Walmart a couple years ago, and I just love the white on white for the plates and the chargers, and the bits of texture in the plates and chargers just give this table a little bit of interest. Then I'm taking more of that faux evergreen stem and I'm just kind of pulling off pieces of it and just putting it in between the candles and the mercury glass trees I have in the center of this table. I think that greenery or faux greenery can make almost any table setting or any room look Christmassy. So here's my finished breakfast nook table. I love the combo of the rustic and the glam with the deep wood tones and then the metallic tones. The rustic is also in the napkins in the plaid, and then I have a little bit of glam in the gold cutlery. I also just love these little mercury glass candles. I found some of the holders at the Dollar Tree and then some I had on hand. And I just like this swag above our sign. I got the sign at William Ray Designs. You can use my coupon code in the description box below to get 15% off your own sign from William Ray Designs. I can't wait to have Christmas morning breakfast here with my family. For my Christmas dining room table this year, I actually took a floral class with my friend Corey Christopher. He helped me do a video here on the channel. I will link it in the description box below. He's a florist in Edmonton. So I did this really beautiful rustic garden-y kind of flower arrangement. So I'm using that for the center of this table. I just love all the different green colors. And then I'm just putting it in the middle of this faux eucalyptus garland. I bought this off of Etsy earlier this year. These gold chargers I've had forever. I've probably had them for 10 years. I think I got them at Michael's. I think they were like 60 cents each or something like that, post-Christmas sale, and I love them at Christmas time. And then on top of the gold chargers, I'm putting my Walmart plates. And then on top of those, I'm just putting some beautiful sort of light green plates. So in this room, I'm also going for quite a neutral scheme with bits of green in it. Then I'm using my gold cutlery from Amazon again, just to add some sparkle and shine to the place settings. I also have these really beautiful sparkly ornaments. I think they look great in the center of my place settings, or an alternative is just using some cheerful holiday napkins and then using an ornament on the top for a placeholder as well. So I think either way the setting looks cute, inexpensive, whether the napkins on top or the ornaments on top, and I just love how simple and elegant it looks. I'm really happy with this floral arrangement in the center of the table. I love fresh flowers anytime. I found these faux fur seat covers for my chairs. I found them at Simon's online. And overall, I think this room looks really sparkly and simple. It's neutral and simple, but I still think it looks nice and Christmassy and festive with the bits of gold, with the ornaments, and with the floral arrangement. I also put some antlers that my friend gave to me in the arrangement as well, and it adds a little bit of rustic elements, again, that rustic glam combo that I absolutely love. You might remember the side table that I did. I made this little card holder over here. I will leave a link to that video in the description box below. And here is our dining room all dressed up for Christmas. Thanks so much for watching this video today. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments below which of these settings you prefer and why. And I'd also love to know how you're decorating your Christmas table this year if you're doing some entertaining. It's always fun to swap ideas. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.